So welcome to playlist number 2, and this also gives me an opportunity to open a loco that I got recently. It's not a new one. In fact, the air smoothed Bullet Pacific, Hornby Bullet Pacific. This is Blackmore Vale. It was actually made in the years 2002 to 2006, which is remarkable when you think how quickly the time has gone since we remember those being bought out. So it's a, try and get this right for you, so it's the Southern Railway livery, and it's not new, and I've been told that it has been run lightly. So let's have a look. So we've got obviously this is the one that has the motor in the loco rather than the tender. I've just noticed that we're missing step off there, but so, and also it's amazing how we notice these things. There's some blue marks on as well, but anyway, I probably wouldn't have noticed those if I hadn't been showing that to you. So let's just move this stuff out of the way so you can see a bit better. Let's see. There we go. Very difficult to do. So it's a bit like patting yourself on your head and rubbing your tummy at the same time. So yes, this is gorgeous, isn't it? I really like the livery of the this Southern Railway livery, and it'll fit in quite well, even though I run mainly British Railways green. This is I think it's called sunshine lettering, and the it probably just appeals to my OCD, but I also like the fact that the lines are continuous between the loco and the tender. And yeah, that's gorgeous. And Blackmore Vale, of course, is an area in Dorset where I spent some time, lived for quite a while. And right, so there we go. So this has got the 5-pole skew wound motor in the loco, and I do have a couple of other ones, the West Country, both the air smoothed or span can, and also the rebuilt, and they are superb runners. They really are. I think I heard, and I believe this, that this was almost the turning point for Hornby, that it basically saved Hornby, and it was the time that they moved from really good toys to models, yeah, this is lovely. So right, so what we'll do is, without further ado, we'll oh, this is our 2219, just in case anybody's interested, and of course it's got the blurb that comes with it, and the little pack which I've taken out, which I've put down somewhere and I can't find. But anyway, so what we'll do is we'll run this round, and then we'll have it pulling some carriages. And as I say, in the past these locos have been superb, so I have no reason to believe otherwise. It also came with the instructions and all the bits and pieces that you would expect it to come with. So without further ado, let's do that. So let's see it run. No problems there. And this is just DC. So let's just take it for a run. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of oil, and then we'll run it with the carriages. So we'll just run it a few times round.